Okay, you guys are not ready for this one. Seriously. Today, I'm taking you on a full-day adventure through one of the most magical, underrated cities in Europe, Budapest. From sunrise to long after the stars come out, we're diving headfirst into everything. The food, the views, the thermal baths, the nightlife. You're going to see it all. And trust me, there's so much more to this city than you think. Whether you're planning a trip here, adding it to your bucket list, or just exploring from your couch, you're in for a wild, beautiful ride. So grab a coffee, get comfy, and let's go live a whole day in Buda and Pest. Early morning, it's about 6 a.m. right now, and the city is quiet. Like, hauntingly peaceful. We're starting off the day in Buda, the hilly side of the city. I came up here to catch sunrise from Fisherman's Bastion, and wow, it's like a fairy tale. Look at this view. You can see the Parliament across the Danube, the sun slowly lighting up Pest on the other side. It's moments like this that make jet lag worth it. Host, pausing to admire the view. There's something about being here early, before the crowds. It feels like the city's whispering its secrets to you. Plus, Fisherman's Bastion looks like something out of a Disney movie. You half expect a dragon to fly by. Alright, sun's up. Let's grab breakfast. Breakfast and exploring Buda. We're at this cozy little spot just downhill from the Bastion, and I ordered a classic Hungarian breakfast. Kifli. That's their version of a crescent roll. A bunch of cured meats, cheeses, and this paprika spiked egg scramble that I wish I could make at home. You know how some places taste like the culture? Hungary has that. It's warm, rich, and a little bold. Next up, Buda Castle. It's not just a castle, it's a whole complex. Museums, history, insane architecture. But the view from here? It's like the city is laid out in 3D. You get this gorgeous sweeping panorama of the river, the bridges, Parliament, and if you squint, you can even see St. Stephen's Basilica peeking over the rooftops. Also, fun fact, Budapest used to be two cities, Buda and Pest, separated by the Danube. They only merged in the 19th century. So this city's had a long time to collect stories. Crossing to Pest. Alright, we're crossing over into Pest now via the Széchenyi Chain Bridge, probably the most iconic bridge in the city. It's got these massive lion statues and serious historical vibes. Also, fun detail, the lions don't have tongues. It was this big scandal when it was revealed, and the sculptor was so embarrassed okay, wait. I'll save that one for later. Keep watching. Anyway, the chain bridge gives you this amazing, center of the world feeling. You're literally walking from old world hills into flat, grand boulevards. And on the Pest side, oh boy. We're diving into the heart of the city. Late morning Pest is busier, buzzier, more energetic. It's where the cafes are packed, the shops are charming, and the architecture? Think Paris meets Vienna, but with paprika in the air. We're heading to St. Stephen's Basilica now. It's huge. Like, stand in the shadow and feel small huge. You can go up to the dome, and I highly recommend it. Alright. I mean, this is worth the stairs. The city stretches out in every direction, and you really start to get how much history is packed into these streets. Plus, the basilica itself is stunning inside, marble everywhere, gold accents, stained glass, and this peaceful, sacred vibe that kind of hushes you. Okay. Enough church. Time for thermal baths. Early afternoon, you can't come to Budapest and not do the thermal baths. This one, Széchenyi, is probably the most famous. It's like if a Roman palace had a spa day. Outdoor pools, indoor pools, saunas, steam rooms, and all of it fueled by natural hot springs. You can literally sit outside in a heated pool in the dead of winter and feel like royalty. Host, in a robe, walking around, people come here to socialize, relax, and apparently play intense games of chess in the water. Not kidding, it's a thing. You come out of here feeling like a new human. I'm starving now. Let's hunt down some food. Lunch. Welcome to Great Market Hall. This place is a food lover's dream. You've got spices, pastries, produce, and a whole upper level with food stalls. I went with the classic goulash, obviously. It's this beef stew with paprika, potatoes, and so much flavor it should come with a warning label. Also got longus, basically fried dough topped with sour cream, cheese, and garlic. It's like pizza's rebellious cousin. Host, biting into longus, okay. Yeah. This is dangerous. Afternoon wander. We're doing a slow wander now to walk off that meal and check out the Jewish Quarter, one of the most vibrant parts of the city. It's full of history, street art, cafes, and, spoiler alert, Budapest's ruined bars, but we'll get to that tonight. We're stopping by the Dohányi Street Synagogue, which is the second largest in the world. It's beautiful and sobering. The area was part of the Jewish ghetto during World War II, and the memorials here really hit you. It's one of those places where the past feels present. Sunset. We climbed up to Gellert Hill for sunset and, just look at this. You've got the whole city glowing, bridges lighting up, the Parliament building sparkling, boats gliding down the Danube. It's unreal. And the Liberty statue up here is such a cool monument. It was originally a Soviet statue but got reinterpreted after independence. It's kind of poetic, like the city rewriting its own story. Dinner and nightlife. Dinner time. We're trying modern Hungarian cuisine tonight at this little spot locals swear by. I got duck leg with cherry sauce and creamy polenta, and yes, it's as good as it sounds. Hungarian food is super underrated. It's hearty, complex, and full of flavor. Also, Tokaji wine? Add that to your list. Now this is where Budapest gets wild. Welcome to Zimpla Kert, the Og Ruin Bar. It's in an abandoned building filled with mismatched furniture, neon signs, bathtubs for chairs. It's chaos in the coolest way. Every room is a different vibe. Some have live music, others have DJs, or just weird art everywhere. You come here, and you just go with it. It's past midnight. The streets are slowing down. The Danube is still shimmering. And after a full day in Budapest, I feel like I only scratched the surface. This city, man, it's soulful. It's got layers. It doesn't try to impress you, but it totally does. If you made it this far, thank you. You just spent an entire day and night with me in one of my favorite cities on earth. If you liked it, hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe, because the next adventure